Parete Nation, you're welcome to my new video. I'm live right now. Please let me know in the comment section if you're hearing me. Let me know in the comment section, please. I want to know because there's something wrong with the audio, so I want to be sure before I proceed. Let me know in the comment section if you're hearing me right now. Let me know in the comment section. Like I said before, today is going to be entertaining. Clever Investment and Communication will join me live very soon. We are going to talk about phone repairs, light drivers, IC, how we can be able to solve it. I'm sure that technician will enjoy because, a lot of technicians came to my DM, asking me, Father Joe, how will I be able to change light driver? How will I be able to fix it when there's an error? So I'm sure this video will help a lot of people, a lot of technicians out there looking for solutions, okay? If you have any question that you want to ask, you're free, let me know in the comment section. So I'm waiting for Clever Investment and Communication to join me live and direct. Please let me know wherever you're watching me from. Okay, I can hear you. That's good. So we are good to go. We are good to go right now. We are good to go. So I'm waiting for Clever Investment and Communication to join me live. Please let me know wherever you're watching me from. Let me know. Let me know. If you're in Nigeria, please let me know your state. Very important. Let me know your state. If you're outside Nigeria, you are in Congo, you are in Ghana, anyway, just drop your country, okay? If you're in Nigeria, drop your state. Very important. Drop your state. So I'm waiting for Clever Investment and Communication to join me live right now. Let's start and do something. If you have questions, you're free to ask me in the comment section while I'm waiting for him to come. Let's talk about phone repairs. Okay. My technician, I'm waiting for him to come up so we can start something. If you have questions that you want to ask me, free, ask me in the comment section. Because a lot of people are saying that I is not responding to questions. I posted the reason why. I'm always busy. If you drop chats for me, if you drop any chats, okay, just understand that it's going to take some time for me to respond based on
Hello?
my work.
I see you live.
So, can you hear me now? I can see you.
Okay, but I can't see you from here.
Okay, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. I'm sure you're hearing me, right?
I can hear you, but I cannot see you.
What is it?
I can hear you, but I cannot see you. I can't
Your
see
voice is
you.
very low, please.
I can hear, but I can't see you.
Okay, you can't see me.
Yes.
My God. But I'm
I
seeing
can hear you now.
what is
I
wrong
can
with
hear you loud
Facebook
and
Live?
clear. Join the live.
Oh my God. What is really
I
wrong
don't know
with
why I
Facebook
can't
Live?
see you.
Don't know what's wrong with Facebook Live. Oh. Let me use my Android phone and then check if both of us are showing.
Which of the phone are you using now?
Please, you need to just hold your mic close to your mouth, please, so that I can hear what you're saying because your voice is very slow. Like it's not loud.
I'm using
And then network
headphone.
is also
Can you
one of the
hear me
problem.
now?
What is it?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. But it's not loud, Sha. I can manage.
But other persons can hear me loud. I just asked somebody to join.
I'm hearing you.
So they can hear
Can
me
you see
loud.
me now?
No.
Oh my God. I think we should go live on TikTok. Then later I'll post it here on Facebook.
Live on TikTok.
How do you see that?
If it will be fine there.
Do you like that one?
Maybe for today, let's continue. Let's continue here. Then other time we will use TikTok. Even if I can't see you, at least you can hear me, and
Side.
all other technicians can
Oh
also
my
hear
God.
me.
Facebook really disappointed me. I don't
No
really like
problem.
this.
Let's continue.
The worst thing is your voice is very low, very loud. I can't really hear you.
Is my voice loud now?
Your voice here is very, very low.
Hello?
Please, oh, let's use TikTok, please. Sorry for the stress. I can't really hear you. Like your voice is very low.
But it's very loud to
I
others.
think the
Others
problem
can
is
hear.
from Facebook. It's from Facebook because I've done a lot of settings in my phone.
What I'm saying is that other technicians that are
What do you
viewing the
say?
live, other technicians that are viewing the live can hear us loud and clear.
Yes, but me, I have to hear you very well so that we can communicate.
Maybe the sound is from your own end. Hello?
Let me bring this guy up.
Let me show you something. Can you hear me?
I think we should go
Hello?
live on TikTok because time is going.
All right, let's go to TikTok then.
What is it?
Let's go to TikTok then.
Let's go to TikTok
I,
so that you can hear me and see me. Then I will hear you and see you.
I would have preferred Facebook here, but it's all right.
This was disturbing. I don't know what's going on. I can't really
From
hear
my
you.
end,
You're not seeing
from
me.
my end, from my end, everything is okay. Forget about me seeing
Okay,
you.
wait.
So long
Wait.
as
Let
you
me
can
use
see me.
a earphone and see if it's going to work.
Yes, so far you can see me, no problem.
Say something now.
Okay, Muslim, I can see you.
Okay, you
Hello,
can see me.
project. No, no, no.
Okay.
I'm greeting the technicians that are live here.
Okay.
Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead.
Okay. So you brought out a topic and you want us to discuss on, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So what do you want us to discuss on? Because a lot of technicians, ask me a lot of questions about IC, especially the lights IC, light drivers, backlights. Do you want us to discuss on that, right?
Oh,
What is it?
let's discuss. Let's discuss on the backlight issue because it's an issue that so many technicians are facing.
Okay.
To some, to some is very common, but to others is a difficult thing. And when this kind of issue come to their table, they panic. So let's discuss on that.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Um, First of all, let me introduce you to them because a lot of people don't really know you. Yes, based on the comments and the messages I do get, they ask me about you. So let me just give them details about you, okay? So that they will get to know
Okay,
you more.
it's fine. It's fine. Go ahead.
Okay. Um, okay, just explain yourself. I think you'll be able to give more details about you. So that let it be from your own mouth.
I I I am Suano Johnson, as you can see my name, the CEO of Clever Investment and Communication. I am a mobile phone technician, and I am a learner. So I am your brother. I am still learning. And that's just all. Let's not go too much of introduction. It's not all about me. So let's
Okay,
start and assist
okay,
each other.
okay, okay, okay. My dear technician, yes, I like to use my dear technician. My dear technician, I'm live with Clever Investment and Communication. He's popular. He's a popular phone technician. He's a pro technician. Anyway, we are learners. Even me, I'm a learner. We are all learning. Okay. He's a pro technician. When I mean a pro technician, I'm talking about a professional, somebody that can work IC, somebody that can change, a CPU, eMMC, programming, a whole lot. Okay, it can do. Okay, so guys, there was a day I went to Aburi, River State, Nigeria, to visit him. I was very happy when I went there. I saw him. We repair a lot of phones, and then we communicate a whole lot. So I was very happy. So I told him, let's go live. Let's do something. Okay. I'm happy. So with that time wasted, let's get into the main thing for today. So today I want to talk about light IC, light drivers, how it works, because most technicians find it difficult to fix it. I think before I start, I will hand over to Clever Investment Communication to give us little or more details about it before I jump into it.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Many technicians have issues on troubleshooting light issues in mobile phone.
Yeah.
And when they encounter this, they begin to panic. There are thousands of ways and thousands of processes to solve this issue. But what I will be doing now is for basic technicians. I will not follow the professional standard,
Yeah.
though I'll be using some professional repair skills. I will also be using some professional terminologies, but I want to go down to earth so that anybody can understand. Either you're using the schematic diagram or you don't have a schematic diagram. Other technicians too, they don't even have a multimeter. And I will beg you to please get a multimeter. It will help you in this. But what I'm doing now, I want to reveal the step-by-step process of achieving results in this area. So let's continue. As you can see before me here, it's a PCB. This is Infinite X688. So this is Infinite X688. And in my PC here, I have already opened the schematics, and this is the board view of that same PCB. This is the light section of that PCB. You can see, so let me use the bigger screen so that it should be wide. Can you see?
Yeah.
So
I'm watching.
I've opened the board view, and the light travels from here all the way to this area, and you can see. So let me start by introducing the four basic components, the four components that make up the light section. As you can see on my screen, these four make up the light section. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Okay. So these four make up the light section. So in here, we have what is called the capacitor. This one that this arrow is on, this is a capacitor. Many technicians already know this. It's a fly cap. This is a capacitor. This one is another capacitor that is directly connected to a diode. So the basic components in this section: capacitor, diode, boost coil, and live driver IC. These four make up the light section. When you see these four together, basically that is in the light section. Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
So
I'm hearing you.
now the mistake that most technicians make is whenever they are faced with a light issue, they go straight because maybe they watch video on YouTube or anywhere and
Yeah.
see somebody remove any part. They will just go straight to this section and begin to remove parts
Yeah.
without knowing, without troubleshooting, without taking step by step
Yeah.
to know the very component among these four that is having issue. To know the very component among these four that is having issue. You understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes too, they forget that most devices, all these components will be okay, but there will not be light in the display because of one broken line from this place to the display. You
Yeah.
understand? So
Yeah. Yeah.
if you don't take time to troubleshoot it step by step, you will just go ahead and start removing IC, and at the end of the day, it will not be successful. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is why we want to go through the natural way, step by step, how we are supposed to get here. Now, if you can see, we have three main line here, and another line here. You can see this line.
Yeah.
You can see this line that's on the screen now. This is the V system line. In some phone, it is called the VPH line.
Okay.
So we have four main lines that is coming to these four components. If any of this line has issue, the phone display light will not come on. So going to remove IC is not the first approach to take when a phone comes to you. If a phone comes to you, what you have to do is to check step by step before you start removing IC so that you don't have issues.
Yeah.
Now, when a phone comes to your desk, the first thing you should do, bring the camera here. The first thing you should do, this is the mobile phone. You can see, this is the phone. When a phone comes to you like this, and you want to check for light, the customer complains, there is no display light, my phone just went off. You are going to check it first from the screen. What you do is, you check the screen. Let me remove the battery. This is this LCD. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Check the screen. Now, what you are going to check is either display, which is graphics, is coming or not. Don't just jump and start removing IC. Remove the screen and check if graphics is available. Graphics, I mean, if any picture is showing on
Yeah.
the screen. Do you understand? So
Yeah.
what you do is you get the screen out of the frame like this. This is the frame. You get the screen out of it carefully and test it outside. Can you see what I'm doing now? Hello?
Yeah. I'm seeing. I'm watching you.
Okay. So you connect the screen to the phone's PCB naked without the frame. You understand?
Yeah.
Now, and connect the battery. You connect the battery. You can see?
Yeah.
You connect the battery and try to use your picker to power on the phone, either from this point or from the power key test point on the board. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Then you sense the phone. If it has powered on, you will see that it will increase temperature to show that the phone is PCB is now on. Do you understand?
Yeah.
When the phone PCB is on, you look for touch light to try to flash inside of the screen to know if there is graphics. If you can see pictures, either Tecno, itel, Infinite, or you can see the person's image wallpaper display inside the screen. If you don't see it, you further go towards the back here. I hope you can see this.
Yeah.
And try to remove this iron carefully. In this process, you are going to be very careful so that you don't damage the screen. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Then you remove carefully. Try to remove only this iron part so that you can flash your phone torchlight like this. Can you see? Bring the camera close. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
You can flash your phone torchlight. Now, when you flash your phone torchlight, it will enable you to see here if there is picture. You get the point?
Yeah.
If there is picture. Now, once you see image here, you now know that the phone has graphics, meaning the phone is showing picture. The only problem on that phone is light. Do you get the point?
Yeah.
Because most phones that come to you that the customer said nothing is showing. Some can be the graphics and the light that is missing, not just the light. You understand? So you need to check to know what you are facing. After checking and you see picture there, then you can now go to troubleshoot step by step for the light issue. If you did not see any picture, you are still going to do another testing. Get an old screen of that model. Do you understand? Get an old screen of that model. That is why I do tell technicians, don't throw away bad screen. Maybe you have cracks on one side. Maybe you have ink on one part that you replace. Don't throw it away. Keep it. It will help you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
It will
I'm
help.
hearing you.
Because you cannot go to somebody's shop and say, give me your new screen. Let me use it to test. You
Sure.
understand?
Yeah.
But you have that old screen you replaced for somebody that was having that little damage. You can use it now to test the phone. Now, one thing, you are sure of the screen now. The one you have with you, you are sure that it was showing. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
So you will use that screen and test. If you also have new screen, better. Like some engineers that sell screen. If you have new screen, better. You use that new screen to further confirm. You get if graphics is coming or not. Do you get the point now?
Yeah.
If graphics is coming or not, because most light issues that graphics is available is very easy to solve than the one that graphics is not available. Because if graphics is not available, you are going to first of all ensure that there is graphics in the phone, meaning that you work on the graphics section first before coming to the light. This is why you are doing this testing step by step. If it is you, my brother, Father Joe, you will say, take your time to do this.
Do it. Yeah.
Yeah. Take your time to do it step by step. That's why I'm saying. So after testing that screen and there is graphics on that screen, you will now know that the former customer screen is bad. And the phone itself is all right. Do you understand? Graphics section of that phone is all right. If there is still no graphics on both the new screen and the customer screen, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
If there is still no graphics on both the customer screen and the new screen, what you now do is know that the panel, the PCB, is not producing graphics and is not also producing light. That's two issues. Do you understand?
Yeah, I'm getting your point.
Now, if you have DC power supply, that one is for professionals. But I will not be going there. If you have DC power supply, once you connect DC to the PCB and power the phone on, you can use the reading on the PCB to know if there is graphics available in the PCB or not without using screen to test. Do you understand?
Sure.
This is my DC power supply. Do you understand? So if you use your cable to power on the phone and you understand DC reading very well, you will know when graphics is available or not. But we are talking to general technicians, not just professionals here. That's why I'm coming step by step locally. So that either you have DC, you don't have DC, either you have screen, you don't have screen, you can also do the work. Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Now, the next step you are going to do is to now connect the screen. Now you are seeing that there's graphics. So light is what you're working on now. What you do is you connect the screen to the PCB like this. Bring the camera close. You can see. Then you turn it. See the way I turn this place. You can see here. Bring the camera
Yeah,
down.
yeah.
You can see this part of the screen.
You can
This
zoom
part
so
is
everybody can see very well.
yes.
Mm.
Yes. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me use my microscope so that
Think,
everybody can see
yeah,
that part very well.
yeah,
Okay. So let me turn the light. Can you see? Can you
yeah,
see
yeah,
it now?
yeah. It's clear.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So let me zoom it further more so that you
Mhm.
can see.
That's cool.
This is what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Hello? Is this
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
You
It's
can
okay.
see
Just
here
start.
now.
Yeah. Start here and then explain so
Okay.
that everybody.
Now, okay. Now, from here now, there is three lines: 1, 2, and 3.
Mm.
You get the point?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We
Mm.
have K2. We have K1.
Yeah.
Understand? And we
Yeah.
have A. A is written under this place, so you
Yeah.
cannot see them. Now,
Yeah.
the meaning of that three thing is
Mm.
it is called Katos 1,
Mm.
Katos 2.
Mm.
That is -1,
Mm.
-2.
Yeah.
The first negative is not GND. It's not the normal negative on the phone. Do
Okay.
you understand?
Yeah.
That's why most persons, to connect that place to the normal negative on the ground, the light will remain on. Even if the light comes in the screen, it will remain on. You cannot off it
Yeah.
because it's not normal ground. That place is not normal ground.
Down. Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So it is called LCM Katos 1, LCM Katos 2.
Yeah.
In some mobile phone, it is called LCM LED-K and LED-A.
Mm.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, this place now is coming straight from one of this line now is coming straight from the CPU of the phone.
Mm.
That is the part of the light that tells the phone to dim and increase and decrease light. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I hope you're hearing me very clear. Please,
Yeah.
you can
Sure.
drop a comment if you're not hearing me.
Yes. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Don't worry. I'm hearing you. I'm getting
Okay,
your
so
point. Mm.
yes, so that part is coming straight from CPU. Let me show it here. Let me show it here on the schematics. Can you see?
Yeah. I'm seeing.
That part is coming from here. Let me go back. You can see this is the CPU. PMW. This part now,
Mm.
it is going straight from the CPU down here to the live driver IC.
Mm.
You get the point? Then from
Yeah.
the live driver IC, it will now go down to that connector. Do you get the point now?
Yeah.
Then we also have another line that is coming from the power IC, which is
Mm.
this line, the V-system line.
Mm.
Can you see?
Yeah. I'm seeing. I'm seeing.
Okay, this is V-system line. In some mobile, it is called VPH line.
Yeah. Yeah.
The work of this line from the power IC is to give strength. You understand? Is to give strength to the light section. This is it. Do you see where it ends?
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
comes
Yeah.
in and yes, and enter the diode and enter the boost coil.
Yeah.
Then it will now be increased by the charging IC. Then it can now go and power your device. So let's go to the screen. For those that don't have schematics, you use your multimeter. Hello?
Yeah. I'm hearing you.
Very fast, very fast. You use your multimeter.
Mm.
Remove this little waterproof here.
Yeah.
For those that don't have schematics, I hope you can see. This is the PCB. This is the PCB here. Eh?
Yeah.
So you touch one probe, the black probe, on the GND of the panel, that phone panel. This is the phone panel.
Mm.
You can see this one, right? You touch one and use one to check the continuity of the cathode line. Can you hear now? You hear that sound?
Yeah. I can hear.
That sound. Yes. The next one. That is the two minus line. You get the point? So
Yeah.
if this make that continuity sound, it means that that place is connected to the panel already.
Yeah.
There is no broken line between the panel and the screen light section. So you go and check the last one, which is the positive, the anode. The anode is supposed to read from 500 if your meter is in continuity. Can you see the meter?
Yeah.
That is when you are testing it on diode mode,
Yeah.
not on voltage mode. So if all this now is connected, the anode is connected, you can see that reading. The next thing you are going to do is to turn your multimeter to voltage mode. Voltage. This is it. This is DC. You can see
Yeah. I can
this
see.
is 20 volt
Yeah.
DC. Turn your multimeter to this position and turn on the phone because you want to test voltage. Connect battery. See the phone. Connect battery now. Then, because this is hot testing, no longer cold testing, turn on the phone. Then check. Now I'm connecting the battery. Can you see?
Yeah. I can see. I can see.
Yeah. Connect the battery. Turn on the phone. Then check voltage. Put the black probe on ground and use this positive to check the positive section of this screen. Do you understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Use it to check the positive section. You are going to see voltage. Show the multimeter. Can you see voltage?
Yeah. 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 I
That's
can see.
3.98.
Yeah.
3.98. Some can show 5 volt depending on the quality of your multimeter. So this one now means that voltage is also available.
Yeah.
In this case, everything is fine. Continuity is available, which is the diode reading.
Yeah.
There's a connection between the screen and the panel. Voltage is available. It means that this phone light is working.
Mm.
Do you understand? I
Yeah.
am using a phone that the light is okay. If I turn it on now, the phone light is working. That is why you see that all the reading is okay. So if I turn this phone on now, light is working. But in case you test and the positive line is missing, because what you miss most in light is this positive line,
Yeah.
either water damage or drop down case. Most times, out of 100, 80% of the time, it is only this positive line that do get missed. Faraju, hope you can remember.
Yeah. 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 Sure.
It is only on rare cases, maybe the live driver IC is bad, that the negative will not be available.
Yeah.
99% of the time that the lights go off in the screen is this positive line that do disappear and get missing.
Yes.
Now, after you have tested and see that the positive is not available, while the negative is available, the next thing that you do is to turn on your schematics. That's for those that have schematics. When you turn on the schematic diagram of the phone, you will see where the positive is connected. Show it from the bigger screen so that you can see clear. Hello?
Yeah.
Can
I'm
you
hearing
see?
you. Yeah. Yeah. I can see.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah. It's clear. It's clear.
Okay. So you can see now. LCM LEDA, which is the positive line of the light.
Yes.
Then you see the next one, LCM LCD-K.
Yes. Which is
You get me now?
yeah.
The
Yeah.
negative line.
The negative line. Yeah.
Somebody may want to ask, why is it that on the phone screen it is 3 and in this part it is 2? The reason is that both the other 2 is bridged together.
Yeah. It's short together. Yeah.
Look here. Yeah, it's shorted together. The 2 minus, not the 2 plus. So this is A, this is -1 and -2. Can you see now?
Yeah.
It is shorted together. So there's no need of creating 3 lines again. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Uh-huh. So we are going to just have 2 lines coming in to that screen, which is positive and negative. So what you now do is you go to this place now and test this screen connector to see if positive is available. Am I making sense?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You have already checked on the screen and minus is available. It's only positive that we are now looking for. So you go to this point now and check if that positive is available here. Because sometimes it can be available here and it will not come to the screen because one, the screen is bad.
Sure.
Or the screen connector is bad. You understand? So
Yeah.
if you jump to go and change IC, you will change 100 IC and it will not still work.
Yeah.
Because there's a missing connection from here to the screen. So you check here with your multimeter on diode mode and see if it is available. The simple thing is to make one jumper from here to the positive place that is right, that's written A, which is anode on your screen, and light will come.
Okay.
Do you see how simple it is now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see. You really
Without
tried.
you changing any IC. Then, if you now check and there is no continuity there, that place is not reading, then you know that you are going to go to the light section.
Sure.
Now, let's go straight to the light section. If you don't have schematics, I have already mentioned 4 components that make up the light section. You are going to see a boost coil, you are going to see a diode, you are going to see a fly cap, which is capacitor, and you are going to see the light driver IC that controls that section. So when you see these 4 together, that is the light section. We have 6-leg IC, and we have this other short small IC that is here. This other light IC that is here is also used for adding bar IC in some phones.
Yeah.
It's also used in the charging section for adding bar IC. Let me scroll to that part here now. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, let me go to the name. Let me go to the naming so that it can be clear. Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
This IC now, this IC that is here now, can you see this light driver IC?
Yeah.
Let's go and check the name. It is here. Can you see the name? LCD light, and this is the model. You can see it.
Yeah, I can see.
LCD light, and this is the model number under it. It is here. But since you don't have, for those that don't have schematics and don't have a deep knowledge of this section, anytime that you are shown this kind of section, take a screenshot of it and keep in your phone. Do you understand? Or do a diagram and draw it and keep in your book so that when you open any PCB and see that place, you will know that this is the light section.
Yeah.
You get the point? There are different ICs that are used and different models that are used, but that is their name. It's the same name, but different IC type, depending on the year that the phone is being produced.
Yeah.
You get the points now?
Yeah.
So now you go here. When you get to this position, after testing the screen connector, when you get to this position, the next thing you are going to do, in this very section, show it well, is to text on this capacitor. Let me go here. You can see this very capacitor. You can see this capacitor that the arrow key is on.
Yeah, I can see.
Please zoom it so that you can see. Come close. All right. Oh yeah. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me show it on the PCB so that you will be able to see, apart from in the schematics. Show it here. Is it clear here?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay,
Just zoom a
okay.
little. Zoom a little.
So,
That's good.
okay. I want the four of them to show
Yeah,
so
it's
you
showing.
can see.
Okay.
It's showing now.
Yeah, it's
This
showing
is
now.
the live. This is the live driver. This is
Yeah.
the boost coil,
The
and this
boost.
is the diode.
Yeah.
This is the capacitor.
Yeah.
There are other capacitors here, but if you check, one secret I will give you is that always check in this section. The capacitor that is the fly cap will always be connected to one end of that diode.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
The
you.
capacitor, because there are other capacitors there, and since you are not using microscope, you cannot see it clearly sometimes. But the
Yes.
tricks that you are going to use is know that the the capacitor that is related to this uh, light section will be connected to one part of the diode, that light diode. You can see,
Yeah.
if I zoom it more closer, you are going to see a connection. Can you see? There's a
Yeah.
connection here.
Right.
But if there's no, if you don't see this because you are not close, use your multimeter, put it on the one head on this capacitor and one head on the diode. It will read one of the points, and it's always reading from that place that is marked. This place that has
Yeah.
mark on the diode,
Yeah.
positive side. Because I noticed that many technicians, basic technicians, make mistake when changing this diode. They turn it upside down, and instead of the light to come, the phone will get very hot
Yes.
because it is in opposite direction.
Sure.
A diode is a component that light flows in it one direction. One direction is coming from the minus to the plus side. Light cannot flow back in a diode.
Yeah. It
That's why when you
allowed
try to put
voltage
it
to
upside
flow
down,
only on
yes,
one direction.
yes, only
Mm.
on one direction.
Yeah.
That's why if you connect it upside down, the phone will get hot
Yeah.
and
Sure.
it can damage.
Yes.
So don't make that mistake. Always look at it. That side that has mark is the positive side. Just like the Xenon diode that we do use for bypassing charging. You will see one side that they mark black on that red. They mark one side black. That place that has mark is the positive side. So now let's go ahead. What you are going to do is use your multimeter to test. Put one leg on ground and one leg on this cap. You can see
Yeah.
on this cap. Now, one side of this cap is supposed to read GND, which is ground. The other side is supposed to read positive. If
Okay.
you put it here and the two sides is written GND, that means that cap is short. And that is
Okay.
why current is not flowing into that connector section.
Mm.
Do we understand?
Yeah.
So now that means this is the problem. If you have short here, if these two places is reading continuity, you replace this cap.
Yeah.
But again, please, there can be short here, and the short is not caused by this capacitor.
Yeah.
So what you do after removing it, don't just remove and throw it away. Remove it and keep it.
Yes. And continue
Then
troubleshooting.
then test that position.
Mm.
If you test the position that you remove it and the short is clear, then it was the capacitor.
Sit.
If you test the position and the short is still there, continue troubleshooting.
Shooting.
Father Joe will say, keep troubleshooting.
Yes.
Take
Yes.
your time.
Your time to
Take
do
your time.
it.
Take your time
Yeah.
to do
Yeah.
this. Don't
Yeah.
rush.
You
Don't
don't.
rush.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
You can be dropping your comments. You can be asking your questions while the study is going on. I hope you are enjoying the process.
Sure.
I'm
It's
trying to
about.
take a long time because I'm explaining it to a layman
Yeah.
that has not done it before. So that with this step, you can do it on your own without schematics, without anybody directing you. You will just follow this step and it will work for you and save you time. Now, if that capacitor
Mm.
was the issue, you just change it. Then go back to check the screen size, that position I told you on the clip, if it is now reading. If it is not reading, then you continue to check. The next thing that you are going to check is this diode. Why am I starting from here? If you check in the schematics, you will see that it is from this diode. Can you see here?
Yeah.
It is from the head of this diode to the capacitor, to this resistor, to this other capacitor, that the positive line comes and goes to the screen. Can you see? Follow this yellow line. Hope you can see the yellow line.
Yeah, I can see.
From the head of that capacitor, you go down. You go down to the head of this connector. You can see now. So you are going to follow it the way the line flows, so that you don't make mistake.
Yeah.
Now let's go back to the section. After testing the capacitor and the capacitor is okay, you test the diode. The diode, the two sides of the diode, one side was supposed to read on GND, which is continuity, which is GR. One side was supposed to read from 2 something to 300. You understand?
Yeah.
Then in a voltage, it's supposed to give you from 2 point something to 2 point something to 3.7 or 4.2, depending on your multimeter.
Yeah.
One side, that is it, from the negative side.
Yeah.
Then that is the current that is coming from this coil here, this boost coil.
Yeah.
You can see the line. It comes from the boost coil to the diode. Then from the diode will now increase it to 5 and give it to this capacitor. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
So if you test here, this part of the diode, which is the negative side, is not supposed to read you GND. It's not supposed to be ground. So if you test here and it gives you ground, or this side gives you ground, then this diode is bad. Because one end is supposed to give you 3 something on diode, and this end is supposed to give you 4 to 5 on diode mode. So if you are not getting that, then change the diode. If all reading is okay, the next thing is this coil, boost coil. Now, please, engineers, technicians, please listen. This part is very important. Why is it very important? If you see here in this mobile, this boost coil is different from boost coil that are in some other PCB. This light boost coil is different from a boost coil that are in other LCD. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, let me shift it up. Look here. You see here? You see here?
Yeah.
Let me go back.
Yes.
Let me go back. You see here now?
Yes.
This is also a boost coil. Use the big screen so that you can see well. Stand up. Use the big screen. Okay, can you see that coil now?
Yeah, I can see.
This one beside the graphics IC is also a boost coil. You can see this one?
Yeah.
But the design, the outlook is looking very different and smaller than this one in this place. So this is where engineers, technicians that are not professional get confused.
Yeah.
Now, these two coils are the same thing. If you remove this one and put it here, it will work. Do you know why?
Why?
It is both of them are boost coil, not buck coil.
Okay.
Now, the both of them are boost coil. You are judging this based on the location, not based on the color or the size. Hello.
Yeah. I'm
Now, so if you now say, because these two are the same, and you go to the power IC section, this is the power IC section. Can you see it clear?
Yes, yes.
Let me check it from here so that you can see.
I can see very
This
well.
is the power IC. Okay.
Mm.
I hope others can see.
Yes, they are seeing.
I want to open the power IC section now. This is the power IC section.
Okay.
You can see that same coil is here. That same color and design of coil. If you go and remove this one and put it there, it will not work. Do you know why?
Why?
This is not a boost coil. This is a buck coil.
Oh, yeah.
Why is it called a buck coil?
Good.
Because
Please just
in this
explain the bulk coil for everybody, because of I know for sure a lot of
yes,
people would like to know.
so no now because in this section of power, the power IC receives the voltage, and this buck coil and produce buck. This buck coil is for the CPU.
Okay.
And the CPU functions in lower voltage and higher ampere, which is current. There's a difference between voltage and current.
Yeah, yeah.
The voltage is the strength of that light. The current is the speed of the light. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, if that light has stayed, say, oh boy, this light you get voltage. Oh. If you disturb too much among your friends, oh boy, your voltage too high. Why they worry like this? You understand?
Yeah.
So voltage is the strength, while current is the speed. You get the point now. So
Yeah.
buck coil works on more of current than voltage. It steps down. Now, let me give a clear example. A step down, normal step down that we use for our television in our houses. Yes, and a what is it called? Can you remind me, that is used to regulate stabilizer?
Okay, stabilizer. Yeah.
Good. Now, the buck coil and the boost coil works that same way. What is the work of that step down that we use? The step down is used to step down the current so that you can power your appliances and it don't get damaged.
Yes, and also
Right?
step up. Yeah.
Yes, and step up. The stabilizer is used to step up. It's more of stepping up. Maybe the light that's coming is very low. You use the stabilizer to move it up to the normal level that you can power your appliances. So why it will not work if you use it interchangeably is that the boost coil that is in that light section, the work is to increase the voltage. Because the screen needs a very high voltage in order to shine,
Yes,
in order to make you see everything clearly.
Yeah.
It does not need higher current. But the CPU needs higher current and lower voltage because it's very delicate.
Yeah. It consumes a lot
Do you
of.
get the understanding?
Yeah.
Yeah. It consumes a lot of current and lower voltage.
Yeah.
You get me now?
No.
That is why if some technicians, when this part is short and you go and apply short killer here, you will kill the CPU.
Yes, sure.
Because the CPU doesn't need that kind of voltage.
Yes.
You get the point now. You don't need that kind of voltage. Now, let's go to our light. So if you collect this buck coil and put it there, it will not work.
Yeah.
Even if it's the same color, it will not work. Where you are going to get a coil that will work in a PCB to replace in this light section is from the graphics section, which is here.
Yes.
Can you see here?
Yeah, I can see
Beside
it.
this graphic from here, it will work. If you take from this light and put it here, it will work. If you take from this side and put it in the light, it will work.
Sure. Yeah.
Another you can get a boost coil is in the charging section because those places need higher voltage.
Yeah.
So go to the scrap board you want to use and take from charging section. It will work. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Now, somebody may want to ask, Father Joe, in some phones, the color of this coil, some is carton color, while some is pure black. Can it work? Yes, it can work based on the
Sure,
section.
it can work.
Now,
Yeah. Mm.
come to the screen. Come to the screen here. Can you see this phone
Mm.
that is on my table here?
Mm.
Can you
It's a
see it?
different color. Yeah.
You
It's
see that
brown.
this one is
Mm.
different color, is brown.
Yeah.
But because it is beside the loop, which is the graphics section, you take this
Yeah.
one and put in the light, it will work.
Yeah.
Because this is the same boost coil. Forget about the sides, forget about the design. The internal structure is what will make it to work.
Yes.
Because inside of this coil, there is a folding of coil. That's why it is called coil. There is a folding of coil, normal as our cable is.
Yes. Yes.
So
We
the
have
number
tons,
of
tons of
rolling,
coil.
yes,
Mm.
yes, the number of rolling inside of that coil is many than the number of rolling
Yeah.
in the box
That's
coil.
the winding of the coil.
Yes, the winding of this other coil
And
now
the winding
is
is
of
calculated.
higher
Please
number.
let me just
Yes,
put a little something for everybody. In
go
that
ahead.
coil winding, I've seen a
Yes,
technician that changed the coil and it's not working. So he called me and asked me, Father Joe, I changed the coil and the phone screen is not coming up. The backlight is not coming up. Is there
okay.
any solution for it? Then I told him that what kind of coil do you use? Do you use the normal Bose coil or the bulk coil? He told me that he used
Yes,
bulk coil. I say that there are some bulk coil that won't work for the backlight. There are some
okay.
bulk coil that won't work. Okay, so the guy say, Father Joe, is it true? I say yes. So just get the normal Bose coil, then put it. I'm sure it's gonna work. So you now get the normal Bose coil and put, and the thing
All
work.
right.
You understand my point
Perfect,
now? Okay.
perfect, perfect,
Mm, mm.
perfect. So can I go ahead now?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Free. Go ahead.
Okay, okay. Now let's go to the light section.
Okay.
So you will not change, you will not check this coil. Now, if you remove this coil, if you
Yeah.
read the coil like this while it is on the board in diode mode, it's going
Mm.
to give you a beep
Maybe. Good.
that you would think that it is shorting. If you read this coil that's on the board in diode mode, you put your meter to end.
Okay. Someone is asking, please tell us how we can know when the call is not working.
That is what I'm on now.
Okay.
That is the part. That is the part I am on now.
Okay.
Can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
The person that is asking the question, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's hearing you.
Now, if you test this coil on the
Yeah.
board,
Mm.
putting your multimeter on the two ends, can you get me?
Yeah.
It's going to give you a beep. Do you understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Yes, I'm hearing.
It's going to give you a beep.
Yeah.
What you do to confirm it is that you are going to remove that coil. Don't throw it away. I am advising you, any component you suspect and you remove, please don't throw it away. The
Mm.
component may be good. The problem can be coming from the line that goes to that component. Do you understand? So
Yeah.
don't start. I see many engineers, once they have issue, they will just be lifting IC and throwing them away. You are destroying somebody's phone.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Even if you suspect that capacitor that it is
Yeah.
bad,
Yeah. Yeah.
just remove it and keep it very close.
That is why I always say do not remove any component you see. Take your time and
Yes,
troubleshoot.
to
Yeah.
do this,
Yes,
take
to
your
do
time.
this. Oh, you got it.
Yes.
You got it. That's good. I love that.
My dear technicians, take your time to
Do
do
it.
this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Mm, I like
So
that.
now, what you do is you move straight to the coil and remove it. Again, I want to give you one secret.
Mm.
When you remove the shield from this section, this shield now, you see the way I remove it?
Yeah.
I remove it perfectly.
Mm.
There's no damage on the board.
Yeah.
There's no cut on this board. You can see how clean it is looking.
Yeah.
You can see.
Yeah.
You can see all. There's no damage. You cannot see damage. You see how it is?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Ensure you remove it well, because you see that this capacitor is close to this place. This one is close to it. If in course of you removing it, you break this ground, you will break the line.
Mm.
Again, in most phone that is not water damage, but the light just stop. This coil here will show you sign by the side here. If you take your time to observe it, do eye testing. Father Joe, do say eye testing.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you do a good eye testing, you
Yeah.
will notice that there will be a black mark small around this one. In some cases, this diode will fry
Yeah.
and even burst.
Yes.
Do you get the point now? So
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
your eye testing, you cannot lift it and change it. But I am talking in the case that you did not see any physical damage.
Yeah.
You get the point? This
Yeah.
is the process you follow. Now, remove the coil and test for diode value on both ends of the coil.
Okay, sorry.
You
Someone
get
asked a question here. From Abundance, Vicky says, on my meter, how do I locate diode mode?
diode mode is continuity. Show the multimeter. Let me answer him. Diode mode is combined with continuity on a normal meter. This is a normal meter.
Yeah.
Can you see this part? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I can see.
That part that if you put the two probes together, you will hear a big ping here. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
So in a normal basic multimeter like this one, the two modes are combined. You have continuity here and you have diode mode here.
Yeah.
But in a professional meter like this one, can you see this one?
Yeah. Yeah. I can see.
You can see this meter, right?
Yeah.
In a professional meter like this one, it is not together. You have to, when you put it here, if you put the two probes together, it will not sound. You have to go here and select, and until you see this. Can you see?
Yeah. 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 I can see.
Until you see this.
Yeah.
You
That,
select again and you go to
that's
diode.
a booster mode, and this one is a diode
Yes.
mode. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I can see.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
In some local multimeter that we have, the booster mode, the diode mode is combined together.
Together. Yeah.
But in professional meters like this, it's not together.
They are separated.
It's separate. You have to put it. You can see here. The design is here.
Yeah.
Can you see that design? Yeah.
Yeah. I can see. I can see.
The booster on the
I can
other
see the
side.
ohms.
The diode,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. The ohms icon.
Yes. Yes. You can see there, right?
Yeah. I can see.
Yes. So it is combined together. But in this meter, you have to press select here to be able to change it to the one you want. But in this type of meter, that is here, this normal kind of meter, this one, you will not see that.
Yeah. Everything is combined.
Everything is together. Once you put it here,
The booster, the diode, continuity, everything
together. Together. You get me now?
Yeah.
So now, if you want to go for the DC, you go here, you turn the meter here. Can you see here?
Yeah, to DC.
20 DC.
Yes, 20 DC.
You have other readings here, but basically 20 DC is
yes. We normally use the diode mode and the voltage mode on phones.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are other modes that are on this.
Yes.
Resistance, which is this side here.
Yes.
You have the resistance here. You understand? You have different readings here, but basically for basic engineers and for this purpose, I'm just showing you these two.
Yes, the two places.
Yeah, use it to read your voltage. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, use it to read your voltage. Why this other side on this level, you use it to read your current. Why this other side here, you use it to read your diode. Why this other side here, you use it to read different parts. Can you see resistance? You
Yeah,
see
I
the
can see.
sign here, 2K, 20K, that's resistance.
Yeah.
But on a professional meter, in this mode, which is the, let me turn it on. In this mode now,
Mm.
which is voltage, you don't need to put it on either 20 or either 200. Once you put it on voltage, automatically it will range it.
Okay.
So this is auto range because it's professional. The same thing with this other professional meter. So I have like 5 to 6 multimeters in my office.
That's cool.
Now let's go straight to the work. So
Okay.
have I answered your question?
Yeah.
Have I answered?
Someone here is asking question. Yes, the person that
Okay.
asked the question about the diode mode of multimeter says thank you. And someone here is asking question from George Wisdom says, Father Joe, I
Okay.
want to ask you something in chat. It's gonna be long. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to respond you in chat. Okay, Wisdom, I'm going to respond you in chat. So let's continue. Okay,
Okay.
there's no other question for now. Let's continue.
Okay. Now let's continue the lecture. Now,
Okay.
when you remove this coil after doing eye testing, if everything looks normal, you will
Mm.
remove coil. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You remove the coil and test it. Test the position of the coil, where the coil was located. So let me remove one now.
Okay.
Let me remove one now. This is
Please.
also light section.
Okay, please, let's see it. Let's zoom so we can see it later.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see. Okay. It's showing now.
Can you see it now?
Yeah. That's cool. My dear technician, if you have question, please ask. So ask question. John, please ask question. I can see you. Ask question. Ask question. We are going to answer all of your question live and direct. So ask question, please.
Okay, now why I'm using this other PCB is that it's more clear. The lines on it are more clear
Okay.
under the microscope here.
Yeah. I
You
can
can
see.
use
Yeah.
this one. You
Yeah.
see this line now. One leg of this light driver IC
Mm.
comes to the coil,
Yes.
and one leg of the diode, the minus, comes to the coil.
Yeah.
Can you see? Can you
Yeah.
see it very
Can
clear? Please,
Okay.
get close.
Can see.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Or you want me to switch to a bigger screen?
Don't worry. This one is okay. You can see.
This one is
Mm.
okay, right?
Yeah. I
Okay.
can see.
Now this is it. So you see the leg from
Yeah.
here, from the light driver IC
Mm.
to the capacitor to the boost coil here.
Yeah.
One leg, then another leg from this diode. Why is it so? You may want to ask, why is it so? Because after receiving that voltage, the light driver IC is responsible for distributing it to each of the sections. Do you
Yeah.
get the point now?
Yeah.
It's responsible for
Yeah.
distributing it to each the section.
Okay.
So the voltage comes to this coil here.
Yeah.
You get,
Yeah.
and the coil and the light driver IC will boost up that voltage.
Yeah.
After
Using
boosting
a
up the voltage,
frequency. Yeah.
yes, it will
Yes.
now use that frequency in this coil to
Okay.
boost it
To
up,
switch on.
running inside the coil,
Yes. To
produce
energize the
a
core.
higher one.
To boost
Yes,
the power.
yes. That's why it is called boost coil,
Core.
to boost up that voltage that comes from the power IC. Because if it is the normal voltage that comes from power IC, it will not be able to light up very well, to shine.
Yes.
That's why in some mobile phone, you can see the light blinking. if this coil is bad,
Yes.
the light will be blinking. It will not be full voltage. Sometimes you cannot see it clearly. Then in some mobile too, you will see that you cannot increase or decrease your light. It will be very low.
Yes.
What is responsible that time is this light driver IC.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yes.
Because it is this part. It is this part now.
The middle pin.
Can you see here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. It is this pin now that takes current from that CPU
Yes.
and
Yes.
tells the phone when to increase and decrease. As your hand is running on the screen, it is this light driver IC that is
Yes.
telling the CPU that somebody's hand is going up and down.
Okay. Let me explain something, just a little something there.
Go ahead.
Yeah. The middle pin is the
Okay.
PWM, okay, which is the pulse width modulation. And you can also
Yes.
call the enable signal. It's from the CPU. And
Yes.
yes, it's an AC, not direct DC. It's AC.
Yes.
Yes. It
Yes.
goes straight to the light driver, and from there, the light driver energizes the coil using the switch pin, to the coil.
Yes.
From there, the coil will dump and the power energize, and we have our 5 volts.
Okay. Then the coil will now from there and give it to the diode.
Yeah.
The diode will further move it to the fly cap, which is
Yeah.
that capacitor.
Yes.
Do you understand now?
Yeah. Please, I want you to do something for everybody. I would like you
Right.
to just identify the pins, and then you can also talk about the voltage in them, because a lot of people do suffer because they don't actually know the voltage in them. Like, they don't know each of those pins, their voltage, their rating, their voltage rating. Okay, so that in case it's not giving accurate reading, so that they will know that, okay, it's from the IC, okay, it's from the boost coil, okay, it's from these, okay. Like, they will quickly understand. I want everybody to quickly understand the whole circuit diagram. You get my point, right?
Okay.
Okay.
I can hear you.
Sorry for wasting your time. Sorry.
No problem. No
Okay,
problem.
okay.
No problem. I'm trying to
Mm.
open section on my bitmap.
Okay.
I'm trying to open a section on my bitmap so that it will be very clear why I'm explaining this part. Now, I'm
Okay.
explaining this part because most technicians don't know what is connected to what. You need to first of all know what is connected to what, so that you can know when there is a broken line.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can
I'm
you hear
getting you.
me?
Yeah.
I said I'm taking time to explain the connectivity between these ICs and coils,
Yeah.
so that engineers will know when each part is broken and what is connected to what, which part is connected to which part. Do you get the point now?
Yeah. I get the point.
Uh-huh. Because you are going to test GR, which is continuity, which is the ground value, before you test voltage.
Okay.
It is until all this IC is connected to each other and they are not producing the light that you now check if their voltage is okay. I don't know if you get my point.
Yes. I'm getting your point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
I want you to show us the V in of the IC, the light driver, the V in, the positive in, and let us know the power input, of the IC. I think that will solve a lot of questions here, because I've seen someone asking about the power input.
okay. I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming. I'm trying to
Mm.
open something here so that
Okay.
everybody can see it very clear. Okay.
Or should I help you?
I'm trying to open it so
Okay.
that you
Okay.
can. Now, this
Okay.
is the big map of the light driver IC. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Show
I
it in
can.
the bigger, show it in the bigger screen. Can you see?
Yeah. I can see.
This is the light driver IC.
Mm.
This is the name U2202.
Yeah. I can see.
Is it very clear? Yeah.
Yeah. It's clear.
So on this light IC, can you see the connections?
Yeah. I can
See the
see.
point?
Yeah, I can see.
So this part is coming from the V system, which is the VPH.
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Yeah, I can see.
So it's coming from the V system, which is the VPH. This is the location. That is the part that is from the power IC. You can see the power IC here.
Yeah, I can
So
see.
that part is connected to the power IC, and it's also connected to the charging IC because it is VPH. Can you see now? So it's from there that it enters the light driver IC, which is here. You can see this.
Yeah, I can see.
Hello?
Yeah, I can see. I'm watching. I can
So,
see.
so this voltage comes in. This voltage comes into the light driver IC. Let me zoom it up. You see now? Then this other place is from the CPU. That is the middle leg on the left.
Mm.
Do you understand? The
Yeah.
middle leg on the left, that middle. You know, it has 6 legs.
Yes.
6 legs. One is from the V system, which carries from the power IC. The middle one is from the CPU, which is the one you are mentioning.
Mm.
The one you just mentioned now.
Mm.
You can see it here. That is the PWM
Yes.
that you just explained.
Yes.
Then above that one, you see another line. This line also gives it back to the coil to enable the coil now.
Yeah.
You get the point?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when you were explaining that it energized the coil to produce the needed voltage,
Mm.
this is where it gives it out. So this is the in. The in is this V system, and
Yeah.
this out is this part.
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Yeah, I can see.
It comes in here and goes out here. While the CPU comes in here. Did you see it?
Yeah, I can see.
Then on this other side, this side controls the minus leg, which is the cathodes.
Yes.
This side now.
Yeah.
That is going to the minus leg on the screen. This part. While this other middle that you can see here is the same thing that is connected to the second part.
Yeah.
Resistance that is beside it. You can see?
Yeah, I can see.
So most times the engineer will connect this part. This part is not more important. This part is to sustain this IC, giving it backup from this resistance that are here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Why another part there is ground, GND.
Yeah.
Can you see it well written, GND?
Yeah.
You can see it here.
Yeah, I can see.
GND.
Yeah.
So now, this is ground. I have shown the internal layer of the light driver IC now. 1, 2, 3 on the left, 1, 2, 3 on the right. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay. So now let's go. That is the IC. After testing here, and you see that there is reading here, then you replace your coil. If the ground is okay and there's no short, you replace the coil. If after replacing the coil and there is no GR, that there's no ground reading, then you can now go to this light driver. But before going to this light driver, do you understand? Look for this enabling line from power IC and charging IC. Very important. Hello.
Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Did you see this line?
I'm hearing you.
This is VPH and V system. This same line too is important in graph. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah. Sorry. Someone disturbed me.
Can you
Sorry.
hear me?
Yeah. I'm hearing you.
Okay, no problem. Let's go ahead. So
Okay.
this part is very important. If after testing the ground value, before moving to the light driver IC, if after testing the ground value and you check this coil and there is no voltage, when you test in voltage mode, there's no voltage on it, or the voltage is low. If the voltage is low, change the coil. If there's no voltage at all, don't change the coil. Go and look for the line from the charging IC area. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You can get it from the charging IC area. You can get it from the power IC area. Now, this is it. This is the charging area. Can you see here?
Yeah, I can see.
This is the charging IC. You see that VPH is coming from here.
Yeah.
It's connected to the charging IC. Now,
Yeah.
beside the charging IC area, there is a coil. There is a coil there in that charging IC area. Let me show you. Let me show you here. In that charging IC area, there is a coil, which is known as the VPH coil. Please come to the screen. Let's see. This is the coil. This is our charging IC.
Yeah.
You can see the charging IC. Now, beside this charging IC, there's a coil. Can you see? This is it. Charging IC here, charging 5 cap here, and charging coil here, which is known as VPH coil.
Yes.
So if there is no voltage on the other boost coil, this is also a boost coil. You can see it's different color. If there's no voltage on the light section boost coil, you just make a jumper from this to that boost coil to empower it.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
You can make a jumper from here or from this cap is connected. You can see here.
Yeah.
This two is connected. So you can make from this head. If there is no voltage over there, you just make one straight jumper from there to the boost coil on the display area. Am I clear now?
Yeah, you're clear.
Am I clear?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So you make the jumper from that section straight to this part to enable it. Can you see here?
Yeah, I can see.
To enable it. Then if there's voltage there, if everything being all right and you don't still see light, that's when you go to change the light driver IC. In some cases, if it is water damage, the legs, the pin can be disconnected. Do you get the point?
Yeah.
So now you have known that two of the pin, that part that is facing the coil, two of it up and down is connected to the coil. Just read continuity between these two. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm
what
hearing
I'm saying
you.
is that now that you have discovered that based on our schematics diagram, one part, which is the V system part, is connected to this coil, and the other part that is up is also connected to the coil. What you are going to do is to check continuity between the light driver IC and the light coil.
Yeah.
To see if that two leg is connected. If it is not connected, make that jumper to complete the line. If everything being good, the coil is good, the cap is good, the diode is good, then your problem will be the light driver IC. But 99% of the time, your problem is not the light driver IC. I have solved more than 100 of light issue, which the problem is not the light driver IC.
Yeah.
Because of there is so many protection protecting this part.
Yes.
So it is difficult for it to just get damaged, except for water damage.
Yes.
Because that diode that is here, this diode has a very good protection. It will not allow current to flow back.
Yes.
So it cannot damage. It's hard. Engineers, please don't just get up and change the light driver IC without following this step-by-step process. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's conclude. Let's round up.
Okay.
Now, another thing, when changing this light driver, don't forget that it has face. It has face, like I showed you here.
Mm.
It has the face. Don't just go and lift the IC because it's the same color.
Yes.
You go and lift and fix it upside down.
Yeah.
It will not work. Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm
Can
hearing you. Yeah. I'm
Can you hear
hearing
me?
you.
So just go and lift it and fix it there. It will not work. You fix it upside down. One
Yeah.
of the tricks that I use, one of the techniques that I use is that I know that the part that is facing the light coil in my own scrap board will be the same part that will face the light coil in the board I want to replace.
Yes, very simple. Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Let me repeat myself. Engineers, listen. The tricks I use without schematics, without any diagram, is that the part of this component that is facing the coil will be the same part that I will use to face my own coil on the board I want to replace. So when I lift from the scrap board, I will control my hand and my eye to make sure I use that same part to face it. The same thing with the graphics. See here, with the graphics that is beside it. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
People make this mistake. You can see here. This right up, LUB, which is loop,
Yes.
is
Look.
facing the coil.
Yes.
It's facing this coil.
Yeah.
If you turn here upside down, graphics will not come. Your IC can be okay, but because of the nose point here, this nose point is not facing the coil, you will not have graphics on your phone.
Yeah.
And you'll be like, I don't change everything when you say, man, change. Why you know they work now? Which kind of thing be this? Which kind of thing this thing hard do? Hey, I don't change everything. In fact, some engineers will call me and be like, boss, I don't change all the items when they decide.
But it's not working.
Don't think they work.
Yeah.
You understand? And since they are not using microscope, it's difficult to see it clear. You cannot see this right up with your ordinary eye. It's hard. It's very hard to see this, especially this small right up on the loop IC. It's difficult to see. But use this time. So finally, I believe we have been able to solve our issue. Lastly, they want to ask.
You try.
Clever, yes, clever investment. If I follow all these steps and all these paths are working, and I did not still see light on my screen, what will be the problem?
Very important question. Thank you.
Now,
you. Very important question. Yeah.
Now let me tell you. One other line that is almost hidden is that line coming from CPU. In rare cases, that line is your problem. In another rare cases, your charging IC that is providing that VPH and your power IC that is providing that VPH may be your problem.
Yeah.
You get the point. So test if the power IC is sending the VPH to your own light driver IC. You get me now?
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Again, this line that Father Joe explained that I was talking about from the CPU. Let me show you that line. This line now, can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
You see this line?
Yeah.
It's very corny. This line, this blue one. Many people ignore this line. You see this line?
Very important.
It's coming from CPU. It's very important to don't ignore it. It's very important. So if you have done everything that is not working, look if this line is connected to the middle leg, this leg in that light driver IC.
Yeah.
Yeah, check if it's connected. The only scenario that I have seen that it does not work is when the CPU is dry soldered or water damage that part. But in that case, there will not be graphics and there will not be light. That's what I noticed.
Yeah.
If it is from the CPU, this line now, you see it's going to the CPU. Can you see the CPU here?
Yeah, I can see.
You see where the line connects to the CPU.
Yeah.
So means that it is CPU that provide this line. You get me now? To help regulate the voltage. So
Yeah.
it is only in rare cases that this problem will be coming from the CPU or the power IC. So if you have done everything in the light section and it's not working, you have checked all the line going from the light section to the screen and it's not working, you have replaced the screen and it's not working, just lightly use your blower to do what? To re-hot your CPU or re-hot your power IC.
Sure.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Don't go
Yeah.
and remove it. And please, show me that camera. Let me talk to the engineer. Please, I'm warning everybody. Please, I'm begging you. I myself, I do make that mistake.
Yeah.
Now, I no longer make it because I have learned. Anytime that a phone comes to you and we ask you to re-hot the CPU, we do not ask you to use speaker to press it. I'm begging you. We did not ask you to use speaker to press the IC down. Your
Some
phone will die.
technician, some technician, they will press it. They don't know what is going on. That the leads, the ball, the solder balls under the CPU is short because when you press it, it's going to short. I don't know.
Definitely, it's going to stop
Yes, it's going to
and the
short.
phone will die.
Yes, the phone will die automatically.
In no scenario, in fact, in no case, either it is power issue, the phone is dead, and you
Yeah.
want to re-hot it, you want to service it. Don't ever use anything to press.
I've seen most technicians when one's phone is not
Uh,
turning on, they hit.
yes.
They hit the IC very well. They hit it very well. Some of them they
Add
don't
a
even
light,
know the importance.
fire.
Yeah, some of them they don't even know the importance of hitting, and they don't know the reason why. They just keep hitting. It's very bad.
Yes.
It's very, very bad. First of all, there are
And please,
sometimes power IC is just a problem because the phone is not turning on,
yes,
and they don't even have the tools to test it. They go ahead and then hit
yes,
it. They go ahead and even hit the eMMC till the eMMC shut down.
yes.
Whereas you're supposed to troubleshoot, check one by one, and know exactly IC that is not working. From there, you change
Yes.
the IC, and the phone turns
That's
on.
why you need the knowledge. You need the
Yeah.
knowledge.
Instead,
Use
they go
this.
ahead and be hitting the CPU. Hit. Put more paste. If not working, they will use tweezer and then press it. The solder balls short, and the phone completely off. No
Please, I want
surprise.
you guys, make sure you help and send data to Father Joe. He's trying. You will not understand. Most
It's
of
not
this
easy.
knowledge, you pay dollar, you pay in dollar, you pay big money for it.
Yes.
And and some of it, those that are teaching us, those that are explaining to us, they are not speaking English.
Yes.
So it's even difficult for you to understand this depth. What we have just done this morning, you will not know.
Yes.
It's what people pay millions to learn that you have just gotten
Sure,
it.
sure.
So
A lot of people are paying so much to learn what you just taught. A lot, a
you
lot.
understand. So you have to appreciate those that are bringing this to you.
Yeah,
You don't need to wait for them to ask. You understand?
yeah,
When you comment, you share, you like, you follow them, you are making them to do more.
yeah, yeah,
You understand?
yeah,
Last time we do tools and their uses
yeah,
identification.
yes.
Many
When you
persons
like,
don't know.
okay, excuse me. When you like, you share, you follow them, you're boasting them. Like, it's just like a boast call. You're boasting them to do
Yes,
more
yes, yes,
videos.
yes.
You're boasting them to do more videos.
You're boosting them that time. We
Yes,
spent our
yes,
time. Okay, now bring the
yes,
camera close. See my table. See my table.
yeah,
Let me show you my table. Can you see the number of phones that are here?
yeah.
Look very well. Can you see
Yeah.
the number of phones that are loaded here?
Yeah, I can see.
You can see.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see this other side, the number of phones that are loaded,
Yeah, I can see.
pending the work. Now, if you change this other side, you can see the number of phones that are also loaded.
Can see.
You see this side, you can see another set of phones that are loaded,
Yeah, I can see.
and the ones I'm working on currently.
Can see. I
Check
can
here.
see. Mm.
You see?
Yes, I can
So
see.
us taking our time, we taking our time to teach is not an easy thing. We are also learning, and Father Joe is doing very well. You
Yeah,
guys need to appreciate
yeah.
bringing people together to talk to you is
Yeah.
not an easy task.
Yes, sure.
I remember he spent his own transport to come and see me here for the first live that we did. It's not easy.
Yeah.
It's not easy. In our own time, when we were starting, we did not have this kind of opportunity. You
Mm.
guys have this opportunity. So appreciate it. Thank you very much. If I have any question, you can drop it. I'm not seeing questions from here.
Okay, we have a lot of questions. I will go through them. First of
Go
all, I
through.
want to use this juncture to tell you thank you so much for your time, for your effort. You try a lot. You try a lot. Like you try a lot. You try. Appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me go through some questions so we can run off for today. Tomorrow, I'm sure we are going to have our grandma for repair live and direct with us. Let me go through some questions so we can run off for today. Um, we have a question here from Monday says, Sir, showing is confusing, not stable. I think it's from network. Let me check another one. Okay, from Big Banzi says, question, sir, what makes a phone not to increase percentage after charging? Okay, after changing the downboard, I think you will
Okay,
just
you want to
expatiate that
answer
one.
that?
Just
Okay.
expatiate that one.
So many factors can make your phone not to increase percentage after changing the downboard. Changing the downboard is not the solution. Troubleshooting is always the first step,
Yeah,
because your downboard may be good and the phone will not have the requirement. So you check. After checking and 5 volt is coming from the downboard, that downboard is okay. The
yeah,
charging is okay. If you
yeah,
test the downboard and normal 5 volt is coming, you will now go and test the flex, the screen flex or the charging flex that's connected to the panel. Check the V charge. If you are having 5 volts there,
yeah.
that is on the V bus inside the panel. If you are having 5 volt, the same volt that's on your downboard is supposed to be there.
Please,
Then
you
from
also
there, battery
excuse me,
terminal.
please, you also explain the issue of current because most technicians we focus on voltage. You can have voltage, but the phone is not increasing. Okay, current must also be available. You get my point now, right?
I can hear you.
Okay. The current, like I'm talking about the arms for charging. There are sometimes the charging port is not giving the accurate arms. We only have 5 volts, but there's no arms from the charging port to go straight to the charging IC. Just expatiate that one a little bit so that they can understand.
You have five. Most times it is the charging section is driven by voltage. Most times it's driven by voltage. Another thing is that if the ID line that is
Yeah,
speaking to the phone to
yeah,
tell the phone how much voltage is in this battery
yeah.
has issue, it will affect the charging. You
Okay.
understand?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
those
I
ones
hear
are coming from charging IC.
you.
Those ones are mostly from charging IC, not from this down.
Okay.
Do you understand? It is
Yeah.
only in most Vivo phone that they use their ID line is on the panel. Most Vivo phone and Samsung,
Yeah.
their ID line is on the panel, on the PC, on the damn board.
Okay.
But
Okay.
in some phones, Infinix iTech, the ID line is in the battery and on the board, the main PCB. So if you test 5 volt on the VBus line and 5 volt is available, most cases, this is what I find out. If 5 volt is available on the VBus, but when you test the battery terminal, you will not see 5 volt. In fact, sometimes no volt.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand? That is when you go and check the charging section. If there is a short or your charging IC is bad, you will not have that voltage because it is the charging IC that converts it and deliver to the battery terminal that will now go back into the battery.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
Sometimes it can be the diode that increases that voltage. Do you know that that 5 volt that is coming to the V bus line that's entering the panel, if that 5 volt comes up on the battery terminal, the phone will die.
sure, sure. I know.
So the charging IC and the diode will step it down
Yes. To make
to
sure you have
3.7
the
or 4.
correct voltage for charging.
Do you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
3.7 or 4.2 so it can charge. That is why when some engineers use diode that they don't know the ohms to convert or bypass charging, it will show on
Yeah.
the meter that voltage is there because
Yes.
most of them use their tongue. They will use their tongue to test and they say, "Oh, current they come for my phone, no they ask."
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I do
Yeah,
ask
yeah.
them how much voltage. Forget tongue, forget
They,
tongue. Current
they
fit
will not
come.
know.
How
They will
much?
not know. Sure, they will not know. They only know that there's
So that
voltage, but they don't know the accurate
yes,
voltage reading.
yes. Charging. In fact, anything troubleshooting needs use of multimeter. That's what I
Yeah,
can answer.
yeah, yeah.
So you know where that issue is coming from. Any
Okay.
other question?
Yeah, yeah. Someone asked a question here about the light issue that you explained.
Okay.
He wrote, Father Joe, please explain to us the difference between the light issue of the Android and the button phone. That is confused. So I think you help us with that.
Difference between what?
The light connection of the Android and the button. Okay, you have
The
already
light connection.
explained the Android,
I've
so I want
already
you to explain
I
the
have
button, like the button phone light
smartphones,
circuit.
smartphones. Listen, keypad phones, Android phones, all phones. If you follow the key points that are given in that section, you
Okay,
can solve them.
okay,
Most keypad phones don't have light issue like Android currently because it does not have many components. But keypad phones, when it has light issue, it is very easy to bypass
yeah, yeah,
than Android.
yeah,
You understand me now?
yeah,
Very
yeah.
easy. Some you can just go to the panel
Mm.
and just jump out light.
Yes, yes.
Some it is a broken connection between the screen, that part
Yes,
that goes
yes, yes.
to the screen.
And the light is connected directly from the CPU. Some button
Yes,
phone is directly from the
yes.
CPU.
See, let me show you this now. Let me show you this now. This is keypad phone. This now. So some of the phone, because of flexibility, this place can be cut. This connection here. Let me put it here so that you can see in keypad phone. You see here, right?
Yeah,
These 2 points now. It's just plus and minus. You
yeah,
get
yeah,
K and A. You can see K and A there, right?
yeah, yeah. I can
So
see
it's the
that.
same thing.
Yeah.
Connected, the connection between here now and the screen can be broken. You will not know. Just read it first. That's the first
Okay,
step.
okay.
Then you check the connection between the screen itself. This point now. You can see this point. See here. All this leg now. The connection between this leg
Hmm.
and the panel can
Yeah,
also be broken.
yeah.
Another thing, after disconnecting these 2 points, this plus and minus here,
Hmm.
eh?
Yeah,
Disconnect
yeah.
it from this place and use your multimeter to
Hmm.
touch positive and negative. It will light in the bulb. It's very easy.
It's very
So
easy.
if this thing light up, because that bulb is called light emitting diode. It is
Yes,
diode. That bulb
yes,
in button phone is also a
yes,
diode.
yes.
So if you use your multimeter plus and minus to touch it after disconnecting it, you will see that the light will come. That is to tell you that the bulb is okay. Then you continue from there to check the connection between the panel and this side. If it is also missing, you reconnecting it. After reconnecting, if you test new screen, it does not work, then you go and check the light section. If there is corrosion, if there is damage. Button
Okay,
phone is basically
okay, let me add to that so that a lot of
yes,
things
yes.
to
I can explain
understand.
that better.
Okay,
I he
okay,
understand.
okay, okay. Let me explain the main reason why in Android phone the light circuit is different from button phone. If you check button phone, most of the LED, which is the light emitting diode, are very few. You have like two or one, some is three. And the LED, since it is not many, just a few of them, so it will not consume a lot of power. So instead, they just take it directly from the CPU. And inside the CPU, we have a transistor that drives the negative to turn on and also turn off the LED. So the power consumption of the LED is not much. The IC itself can handle it. Then for the Android, we have so many LED, and this LED, if they connect it in parallel, is going to consume the battery, and we need a big arms diode and also a MOSFET transistor or a light driver to drive the power. So it's going to consume the battery voltage a lot. It's going to consume the battery power. So that is why instead of using the parallel connection, they use the series connection and they use the light driver, boost it to a coil, and the coil generate high voltage to light up. And that process will reduce battery consumption and make sure that the phone is not heating up when the light is turning on. You get my point now?
You're right. You're right.
Okay. To
So that
summarize
of the
everything,
battery communication.
Android phone backlight connection is in series, like the backlight, the LED is connected in series, and it's going to reduce the battery consumption, while the button phone is connected in parallel. And since the LED is not much, it's just one or two, so that one or two will not consume a lot of power. So that's why the LED for the button phone is connected in parallel, and the power consumption is not much, so it's okay. I think you get my point now. Okay, I think I'm clear. It's okay. It's okay.
That's fine.
Mm.
Any other question before I go?
Okay, let me check one question. Thank you so much. You really try. Okay, from Abundance says, good day, sir. Once again, thank you for coming together to teach us. Wow, I love that. Um, okay, I have one question here about battery temperature. Please, I have a question. If phone is low battery temperature and cannot charge up, what we on an Android? Like what it's trying to say is that the phone is low when the connect charger is not powering, it's not charging, it's showing low battery temperature. My technician, I think it's network, so we lost connection with Clever Investment and Communication. I'm sure it's network issue. So let me wait and see if Clever Communication will connect again. Okay, let me wait and see if Clever Communication will connect again. Let me wait and see. Let me wait and see if Clever Communication will connect again so that we can run off for today. The time is going, you know. I want to say thank you so much to Clever Communication, guys. You know, I contacted him yesterday. I talked about the live stream because I have to bring people and then we talk about this phone. You see this phone work? You know, I'm here to expose things. I want to show you guys deep insight about phone repairs. So different technician will be coming live and we are going to be talking about phone repairs. Okay? We are going to be talking about deep insight. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to learn a lot. A lot. So don't worry, you're going to learn. And I'm doing this, all this knowledge that I'm doing, I'm not like it's free, guys. I want you guys to enjoy. It's something that you're supposed to pay a lot of money to get it. But it's free, okay? It's free. I want you guys to enjoy. I want you guys to enjoy. Okay, someone says here, do you have WhatsApp number? I have WhatsApp number. You can go to Google and search for my WhatsApp number, or you can check my bio. It's available. Like, let me share it with you. +234 +234 70 58 779 633. So use that to contact me. If you want to contact Clever Investment and Communication, I will tag him in the comment section. You can contact him, or you can check the post I posted previously about. Okay, let me bring him up. is coming again live. Okay, you can check the post I posted previously about this live video. You can check that. Hello, you're welcome.
All right. You are talking about if they want to contact me.
Yes. So you can you share your contacts? Do you have any public contact you want to share with everybody?
Okay. You can drop my Glo 705-0705-911-4213. 0705-911-4213. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Let me repeat. 0705-911-4213.
Okay, that's cool.
Clever Communication Global.
Okay, that's cool.
You can also follow this page,
Yeah.
Clever Communication Global, or you follow my personal page at Johnson Swano. I'll be tagging it. I'll share the link under this under Father Joe's comment section.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
I believe we are done.
Yes.
Any other
Um.
question?
We have a question, but I think it's gonna take us more time. It's about temperature. It's about temperature.
Temperature issue. I believe we'll take care of that another day. We
Yes.
cannot get everything done today. So
Yes.
let them start. You write down. Hello, engineers. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Globally, we are trying to build a group that will be different for specifically professionals. But what
Yeah.
you do is, if you have any question, write them down so that in next section you can be able to ask a question. If you have anything you want us to treat, to take care of when we come up again, just write them down. Get prepared. Prepare ahead. Right now, I am very busy, so I'll be leaving you guys.
Okay. Thank you so much, Clever and
Thank you very
Invested
much, Father Joe.
Communication. I
Thank you very
really
much,
appreciate it.
technicians.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you.
Let's
Okay,
keep
bye.
learning and keep doing
Okay.
better. We'll
Okay.
make
Thank
Africa
you.
proud.
Okay. Thank you. Okay,
Bye
bye,
bye.
brother. Okay. My dear technician, I'm very excited. I'm very happy. If you're a technician, you're a pro technician, you want to join us live, you're free. You can contact me, or when I'm going live like this, request for the live video. I'll bring you up here and you share whatsoever you want to share with us. You're free. Share with everybody. Let everybody know that you are real. Like, show to everybody. I want everybody to get to know you. You have a talent. Why do you hide your talent? You can repair phone. Why do you hide it? Why do you hide your talent? Come here and expose your talent. Let everybody know that you can do it. Okay? My data technician, I'll be going off right now so that I can work phone. I have phones to work, so I will be going off right now. So thank you and see you in my next video. Guys, don't forget, I'll bring a technician. I think tomorrow. I'll post it. Okay? So thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.